How's it going, guys? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset both service lights in this 2019 Mazda CX-5. That's right, these have two service lights. I didn't even know that. So the first one, which is in this screen here, which you control by using here. So we'll push home, go to our home screen, go to applications. So I'm just turning this to go through here, go to applications, click on it, go to vehicle status, scroll down maintenance. So you go down to your scheduled, you hit reset. I've already done it, so I'm not going to do it again. And then you do the same with oil change. So that, once again, I've already done it. Now this does have, so once you've done that, go back to your home screen here. This does have another service light, which will come up here, oil change due. So now to do that, we're going to turn the ignition off. We're going to hold this top button here, turn the ignition back on. So I'm going to hold that. Excuse me for 1 second. Turn the ignition back on. And you just keep holding that. Just keep holding that until that message in the center turns off. So it does take quite a while. Okay, so now service lights are gone. That's it. Thanks, guys.